Answerpiping is a survey technique that involves using a participant's previous response to a question as the foundation for a new question. Answerpiping is a useful tool in many survey scenarios. It is often used in marketing research and customer experience surveys. Firstly, create your form or survey and add fields to it. There are two conditions for Answerpiping to work. First, the field should have an ID. Second, this ID needs to be put in another field. Answerpiping works for all field types, so you can choose the one that works for you. Let's say you want to use the survey taker's name to give the form more personalization. Create a short text field, ask for the name, and add name in the ID field. Then click on the field where you want to pipe the answer. Edit the title of the field by adding double curly braces or an @ sign and write that word. For curly braces, write the word in the middle. For @ sign, write the ID after it. Now, while taking the quiz, the answer put in the first question will be applied to another question, like this. The same way, you can also add Answerpiping to the ending page. Same for here, you can either use the @ sign or the curly braces. That's it.